So I'm going to show you how to install Gboard or the Google Keyboard on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So if you prefer the Google Keyboard over the default Samsung keyboard, then you can simply go to your App Store and then go to the search function and search for Gboard. Simple as that. And then now tap on install, and that's going to get the Gboard installed onto your phone. Once installed, you can now tap on open. You're going to have to enable it in the settings. So it's going to take you straight to the keyboard settings where you can change your default keyboard from Samsung. But before you do that, you kind of have to enable the Gboard like that. And once it's enabled, now you can change your default keyboard to the Gboard. And so now every time you're trying to use the keyboard, it's going to use the Google keyboard. So if you have some customizations on your Google keyboard, they're going to get imported into this phone. And now you can be able to use Gboard with your custom settings right on this phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.